welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing hair from Mslynn HAIR. I've worked with them before. I will link that video up in the cards, but first I want to unbox what comes in this little satin bag. First we get an info card, and then they give you a free weaving cap, and then also they give you a roll of elastic, which is super convenient, and as well as a pair of lashes. So this is the wig. It comes packaged nicely in this plastic, and this is a 4x4 closure, you guys, and I'm obsessed with it because it's 22 inches of straight hair and it's a closure. That is so convenient. I feel like everybody just needs a nice long black closure that they can whip on and whip off, that's good quality, that's made well, and this is how it looks inside. So it is a 3-part type of closure. You kind of get to pick where you want to do your part, and at the bottom you've just got adjustable straps and you can secure it. There's no need for you to glue it. It is genuinely perfect. It's straight, there's no curling. I just think everybody needs this type of wig. So all I'm gonna do is just cut off the closure and I'm going to begin styling it. So because it is a 3-part type of closure, I have to pick where I want to have my parts. I'm a middle part type of girl, especially with black hair. I can't do side parts with black hair. I don't know, like I just would prefer a middle part, and I'm just going to part my hair down the middle and take a water bottle to kind of like make sure that the hair is nice and flat. But yeah, I don't think I need to pluck anything. All I'm really going to do is take some water from my spray bottle and I'm going to spray it on top of my hair so I can actually begin to flatten it a bit. I don't want to pluck it because, like I said, this is an everyday wig. It's gonna be with me for a while and I don't want it to shed. I don't want it to bald, nothing like that. I don't recommend you parting and plucking a wig like this. So all I'm really gonna do is flatten it down with a iron. I always do this, guys. I feel like irons work so much better than hot combs. Yeah, I just prefer flattening the actual hair with an iron, and then I do use my hot comb like to just work through the hair and the texture, but to make it flat, girl, I take a straight iron. And once I've gotten my hair nice and flat, I'm just going to take some got2b and kind of flatten it out some more. And also this helps me get rid of like flyaways or anything like that because I'm about to start straightening it. So I want to make sure that the top actually looks nice and I like the way it looks. But yeah, this is the texture of the hair without me straightening it. You guys, it is so thick. Like, it is good quality hair. And I am obsessed with the color. Like, it is almost this jet black, but in the sun it does kind of look like a chocolate brown. And I do want to show you how long it goes on me. So this is 22 inches, and as you can see, it actually is a bit like long, like it's got some hang time, and I like that because, like I said, this is the type of wig everybody needs to have. Like, you guys all need just a proper black straight middle parts closure that is so easy to just whip on, whip off, you know, like very nice. So all I'm gonna do is straighten it out, and then yeah, that's basically all the maintenance that you need to do with hair like this. That is why I recommend this hair. If you guys want to shop it, the link will be in the description box. I'll have everything you guys need, like literally whatever you need. And if you've got any questions about the hair, you can ask me in the comment section. But yeah, I don't know, I enjoy this hair because it doesn't look too shiny. I don't know, I don't like that dull shiny hair, and I just think it's very it's good. Like, you can see the quality kind of thing, you know, you can see the thickness, you can see the length. Like, it's very nice, and it stays soft and nice for a very long time. Minimal shedding, everything you need for the perfect everyday go-to black straight wig. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget, if you want to shop this hair, all the details will be in the description box, and I will see you in my next video.